Hi everybody, I just wanted to provide a quick update here on the euro dollar chart. New information came in, and what I primarily said that when the par level gets broken higher, which actually happened, that this is a definite kind of a confirmed change in trend, that we should actually see this happen. Well, I had to overthink that, because what we saw, well, let's just have a look at the charts and the patterns that were coming in. We've got a series of S1 patterns. Well, first thing here is that we see, well, that's an exponential move, right? That's an exhaustion move. And what we see is after an exhaustion, well, price comes back. So we basically have spiked the par level from below, and now we're falling back. So an exhaustion move holds always the risk that it's a one leg move and then everything falls apart. A one time frame higher, I now believe that it's more probable that this is just a two leg pullback, right? One leg, two leg, testing the par level, well, for a second time from below, and testing the flat line level, this one here as well. And and as well testing the 21 here on the weekly. Let's have a quick look at the monthly. Well, that doesn't provide more information, and that we could actually see, because that was an exhaustion move, right, on the 240. That we could actually see that, well, two leg pullback, this is over. Now we're going for new lows, and well, we have to see how the markets develop from here. So this down here was an S1 pattern that failed, right, here on this 240-minute chart. And then what came in was an S1 long pattern, followed by another S1 a long pattern, well, this time here on the 60-minute, right, another S1 long on the 60-minute, and then we had an S1 long on the 15-minute. I'm just plotting it here. No, sorry, on the 5-minute. Just plotting it here because it's easier to see. Another 5-minute S1 long here, and then now here we've got an S1 on the 15-minute. Well, we see it here, right? That's this one basically. This last one. So we came here from a 240-minute, then a 60-minute S1, 60-minute, and then 5 minutes. So that basically shows you this exhaustion move, right? We accelerated, like stepping down the time frames with the patterns while we accelerated, right? So that created this exhaustion move. Now we've got this one again, a 50-minute S1, and that doesn't look good at all, right? We have a touch of 21, but we have been way overextended here, and the 821 is blown up, like it's spread apart. These are not good moments, right? And we have spiked the 200. These are not good moments to go long, and we can see here how it actually never came close, right, to a rebreak. Then it fell off, playing with the 200. Another trial makes a lower low, right, again. So now we got stuck here at the par level, and I'm basically thinking now we're finding support at the 21 mark, right? So currently we're bouncing off support and resistance, and I want to wait, right, before taking like kind of medium-term changes in moving out of the dollar into the euro, for example. Well, we have a great level now, right, which is this high. Well, let's just move it. So that's kind of this change in that's a change in game plan, right? So we've got a very dominant high, an exhaustion move high. So that's a great level. Well, if this exhaustion move high gets broken higher, right, well, that has something to say, right? Well, this most probably will not happen immediately, because we are overextended, exhausted, everything, right, extended from the EMAs. We might go either we drop off quick, right, making new lows, or most probably will bounce off, right, basically between this line or this big number and this upper line. So again, we are basically here stuck in the range. I just moved this level a bit higher, and I want to wait what's happening, right? So I'm not doing anything, because we have gotten here, you see here, we never got a 21 touch. That was the last one from beginning 2020, and all those found touches on the 8. So once in a while you need a 21 touch. Well, that's what happened now, and we are at a critical level here at the par level. So that's cluster support, right? 21 and the par level and the flat line of this pattern. So I want to see more bullishness, meaning this has to break higher. For the time being, well, this has failed, and for the time being, I'm basically neutral, right? In the euro dollar, and anything can happen. But if we break lower, then we've got nice stop run levels here, right? This is a very good level. Well, here 1, 2, 3, very strong, right? Three stop run levels. That could be a great springboard on the downside. Well, let's mark that. That could be a great springboard on the downside. Fortunately, we do not have a pattern here, right? So that could bounce down, or you could actually see here, right, bouncing up and down, then break to a new high, and then let's mark that a little bit higher, and then actually, well, this scenario I thought before could materialize, and then I wanna put my dollars into a safe place, right, and moving out of it. But we're not there yet, I think. Well, it's up to you. You decide what you do, right? It's just my thoughts. Thank you.